A very good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to African Beyond Television Network. In this evening, we want to take a look on Simon Pashoma Ncube, a former Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation veteran who made headlines in the 80s, in the 90s. I do not know about the early 2000s, but he was so prominent. Let us take a look onto what is really happening with this man. So if that is the house where he's living, then it's something else. So unfortunately, he didn't record his appeal live on video, but he was requesting to see Chivhayo. The video is the sound is not so stable, but he was requesting for some assistance from Chivhayo. I'm not so sure what he was asking for, but looking at his estate, let us focus on his estate. Let us focus on which he is living. It doesn't look like he's a former radio presenter. Doesn't look like he's a former radio personality. Something which is very important to know that pensions were eroded. When we speak about pensions being eroded, nobody is spared. Everyone is affected. And he is a true testimony of what we have always said. This is the same situation to teachers, police officers, soldiers who then retired in the past. Their pensions were eroded. They were left with nothing. Their savings, everything was eroded. And is a true testimony of a man whose ends cannot meet. And it's a very sad situation. He's now looking like he's handicapped, he's walking with crutches. And I just believe that maybe you get the much needed assistance. I just pray that maybe he gets the much needed assistance. He is one of the people who worked when things were better. We expected to see him being a man with a house in the urban setup or whatever. We do not know the reason why he is living just like that. But let us put him in our prayers, and his situation is our situation. We just hope and believe that well wishers will find out or will reach out to him and will assist. So this is Team Zimbabwe. This is what we have for you. Former radio personality Simon Pashoma Ncube, whose life is not so good at this point in time. We'll continue to pray.